excuse me, is fucking trash. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing another makeup tutorial, as you can obviously tell by the title. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but I haven't been doing like an actual intro thing where I'm like posing and, you know, then talking with my makeup done. Excuse me. I don't know, I just wanted to maybe switch it up and do it this way for a while and just see how I like it and how you guys like it. Also, excuse my voice. I've been sneezing in my throat. Feels kind of funny, so I think I'm getting sick, so I hope not. I'm going to start out by doing my base. I'm going to get my hair out of my face. First, I'm going to start by applying this Hello Halo liquid highlighter by Wet n Wild. This is in the shade Holographic. It's obviously not actually holographic. It's just like a purple duochrome liquid highlight. And I'm just going to apply this where I normally would apply highlight. And I'm just loading up on this because I want to be like super glowy, like usual. Next, I'm going to apply some of my ColourPop No Filter Concealer. This is in the shade number 5. They did come out with lighter ones since this being the lightest one, so I need to pick that up. But I'm just applying this under my eyes. Applying some on my chin. I'm really broken out around this area. I'm not sure why. It's probably about to be that time of the month. You know what? Since I'm just pretty much putting this concealer everywhere, I'm just going to put it all over my face. Like foundation. And now with my Airspun powder, I'm very lightly just going to set under my eyes and nowhere else because this concealer dries down. And I have dry skin, so I'm trying to avoid as much powder as possible. You honestly can't even see the liquid highlight that I put down before. But what I'm going to do is put some more. Just blend it out with my sponge. This highlight also applies really well on top of already powdered skin. At least mine anyway. I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows real quickly and I will be right back to contour. Okay, now my eyebrows are done, so I'm going to move on to contour. And to contour my face, of course, I'm going to be using my Gradient Blush Kit by Anastasia, taking the shade Dusk. Here lately to contour, I've been using the Real Techniques contour brush and very, very lightly taking that shade to contour. Carving out my cheekbones. And I know some of you might be wondering why I've been wearing my plugs. I left my plugs out for a few days and my lobes like shrunk up and I couldn't get any of my 2-inch plugs in my ears, so I just decided to go ahead and downsize them to a smaller size. And yeah, so I just don't have any plugs. because I got rid of all my smaller size plugs a while ago. Moving on to the eyes, and I want to do like a graphic eyeliner. So for that, I'm just going to use this Rimmel gel eyeliner. It's just black. And I'm going to first start out by trying to use this Real Techniques eyeliner brush, but I don't really know how well this product works or anything because I haven't really used it that much. So I might need to use a different brush. We will see. Look at this. How this Rimmel eyeliner is fucking trash. This is loaded up with this eyeliner, and look. Yeah, how hard I'm dragging on my eye, and like hardly any pigment. It's not creamy. It's super dry. Horrible, horrible, horrible. Never buy this. So I went ahead and got a kind of a general idea on this eye. I'm not done at all, but I wanted to figure out this eyeliner situation because this sucks. So what I did is go in with this Revlon Colorstay eyeliner pen first. And I'm just applying this. I'm sketching out, trying to get it as symmetrical to this shape as possible. And I'm going to go with another eyeliner that's better and go around the edges. Just using this as a base to lightly sketch it out. So I got a very rough sketch with this eyeliner, and now I'm going to go with my 80 funkhouser eyeliner pen. This is like a really good eyeliner. This eyeliner kind of sucks, but just for this purpose to sketch this out, it works fine. And now I'm just going to go around the edges and make it sharp like this one. I'm sorry if I'm like making it hard to see. So I think that's about as even as I'm going to get them. They're not perfectly symmetrical, but I don't want to really fuck it up, so. Now what I'm going to do is go into my Dream Glow Kit by Anastasia. Every time I hold it up, it makes everything get dark. But first I'm going to go in with the orange shade called Regal on my finger. And like this side, I'm just putting it in the center. I'm not flipping you guys off. I have this little lump. Like a little bump on the center of this eyelid, and it's been there and it's not going away, and I don't know what it is. Then going in with Melt Dark Matter eyeshadow and a little eyeshadow brush, I'm going to blend this over the edge. It's gonna help blend in that highlight shade from the Dream palette and also set that eyeliner. So now I'm actually going to go in with Unicorn because I want to make this a little more vibrant. Unicorn is definitely the most eye-popping shade out of the whole palette. I feel like I should have just went in with that one initially on top of the black. But oh well. I'm going in with Unicorn and just going really close to the edge with it. Again, in with that black and just blending over. Now I'm going to go in and apply a black eyeliner on my waterline and smudge it out onto my lower lash line pretty thickly. I cannot do this on camera, so because I gotta be all up in the mirror, so I'll be right back. And now I'm gonna smudge it out with the same brush that I used for that black eyeshadow, so there's still residual eyeshadow on the brush. I feel like I need something like up here. I just added some white dots like right here and right here with this white eyeliner. This was limited edition from Wet n Wild like forever ago, but it's the only one that I have. I know NYX makes a really good white eyeliner though. Now I'm just going to apply some lashes, and you guys already know which ones I'm going to use. My Dodo lashes in the style D115. You can use discount code wiitchbiitch with 2 eyes in witch and 2 eyes in bitch for money off any Dodo lashes. While I'm waiting for my lashes to get completely tacky enough to stick on, I'm going to highlight my face, of course using the Dream Glow Kit. And I'm going to take Regal, and I'm using my Anastasia A23 brush. I switched brushes to see if I can get more pigment out of this shade. This one isn't as blinding as some of the other ones. I'm going to go in with the shade Wish. I really need to invest in some clear eyelash glue because I'm not precise enough to not be messy with black. So I want my highlight to be just a little bit more popping, so I'm just gonna say fuck it and just go in with Unicorn. I'm loving the eyes so much more now that the lashes are on. It ties it together. For lips, I'm going to use the liquid lipstick Trouble by Anastasia. So now I'm going to take down my hair. So this is the completed look. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you would like to do that as well. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will see you in my next video.